When would you use lag or laid over a self-join? This is a question that separates SQL beginners from those who truly understand window functions. A lag and laid are window functions that let you access data from adjacent rows without joining a table to itself. Lag looks backward to previous rows, while lead looks forward to upcoming rows. Instead of creating two copies of your table and joining them together, you simply reference the row you need relative to your current position. The classic use case is month-over-month analysis. Imagine calculating revenue growth. With lag, you can grab last month's revenue in the same row as this month's, making the calculation trivial. You can also detect gaps in sequences, compare consecutive timestamps, or calculate running differences, all without the complexity of a self-join. Performance-wise, window functions shine on large datasets. A self-join creates a Cartesian product that the database must filter down, which can be expensive. A lag and lead avoid this overhead entirely by reading the table once. Plus, the code is far more readable. Compare select revenue minus lag of revenue to a self-join with row number arithmetic and correlated conditions. The intent is crystal clear with window functions. That said, self-joins still have their place. When you need to match rows based on non-sequential conditions, like finding all pairs where a status changed from pending to approved regardless of timing, a self-join is the right tool. If you're joining on complex business logic or matching rows that aren't immediate neighbors, stick with the self-join approach. Bottom line, use lag and laid for sequential comparisons, they're faster and clearer. Reserve self-joins for complex matching logic. Master both and you'll handle any row comparison scenario with confidence. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.